Alcon, also known as Vision, is a global leader in eye care, operating in the regulated medical device sector. Their objective was to build a new facility to manufacture premium contact lenses. This was the Phase 3 Lines 9+ project, delivered by Exyte Singapore for Alcon at their Tuas South manufacturing site. The goal was clear: connect the new facility into a live operating site while keeping daily operations running without interruption. Delivering on that goal required focused execution across several technical fronts, starting with the steel structure. For the steel structure, a design change to full-strength butt welding called for a faster approach. Exyte worked with a specialist subcontractor to introduce a base fixing device, a wireless method using 25-meter single-piece columns that eliminated temporary safety ties. The result was clear: productivity increased, labor was optimized, and the schedule accelerated by 5 weeks. Beyond the steel work, every tie into existing systems demanded the same precision. Maintaining schedule momentum was critical, as every tie into existing systems had to be executed without interrupting Alcon 24/7 operations. Through close coordination between the project team and Alcon operations, all connections from high-volume air conditioning to electrical were completed smoothly, with no impact on construction or commissioning. Delivering the physical work was only part of the equation. Following gaps in initial data due to revisions to the Green Mark code that came into effect mid-project, Exyte, Alcon and qualified persons conducted intensive workshops to identify root causes behind fluctuating loads and system lag. Additional plant condition data points introduced on the main headers enabled compliance and kept the TOP date on track. Throughout the project, a strong safety culture was embedded across all project personnel. The team delivered 1.18 million man-hours with 0 lost time injuries, building a culture driven by incident-free workplace program, strategic business objectives, and safe plan of action. These efforts earned the WSH Sharp Award 2024. The standards achieved on the Phase 3 project supported Exyte recertification to BIS Safe Level 3 and ISO certifications for quality, environment, and safety. Behind the scenes, technology kept everything on track. The document management control system streamlined document control to support effective collaboration. Building information modeling improved accuracy, and Primavera P6 kept the schedule on track. The outcome was clear: the project was delivered on budget and ahead of schedule, enabling Alcon to meet its business plan. Exyte continuously align client goals as the project evolves, and map every interface between new and existing scope to integrate changes seamlessly, setting the standard for what's possible through strong client partnership. Exyte creates a better future, delivering projects safely and reliably.